For the last time, I didn't mean to piss on myself in class. Please don't suspend me for the third time.
I wouldn't count only just that as your trip out of this school with a 2-week suspension. You also put a blue screen of death on the screen.
But please, you didn't leave me go to the bathroom. How was I supposed to know that I didn't tell me?
Well, if you didn't cause trouble all the time, I would have let you go. Just get out of the school campus already. And I called your parents about it as well.
For real, this is like the 30th time I've had to arrive here and take you home early. Pissing your pants? Really? Very smart.
You will be grounded once mom drives us home, and that's fine.
All these pointless ass endings all because I pissed my pants. This really shows how evil everyone is to me when I basically try to improve my behavior. It's not even that, because every toy I ever owned was removed from this box. This box had all my favorite toys in it from when I was about 7, but I can't even cherish those memories anymore now.
Lavender, what in the holy hell are you doing now?
Well, no more grounding for you it seems like.
Where in God's name did you find a stronger box than Thor's hammer?
That's none of your business, now is it?
Whatever, you big crybaby.
Guess I'm going to have to drag you out of my room. Now get out! I still can't believe that I'm still suspended from that school though.
Caillou.
Yes, Dora.
Do you feel that our teacher was too harsh on Lavender for suspending her all because she didn't get to use the bathroom?
Well, it was kind of expected since she caused trouble every time she went to the bathroom previously.
Well, I guess you're kind of right.
I still don't know how I'm gonna get revenge on that school, even after an hour of thinking. Maybe I could steal a fruit truck and crash it into the school. That would be a great way to get back at everyone for suspending me for 2 weeks for an invalid reason. I tripped over that stupid lap I threw, didn't I? Let's get this shit over with.
Since Lavender is taken care of, I'll watch some TV.
Good lord, how hard is it to find a fruit truck? It can't be that hard. Yes, a motorbike. This will be perfect for getting to the fruit farm quicker. Oh, so you think you unfazed police officers can catch me? Take this.
Sir, what do you do? She's resisting.
Oh shit, look out.
The fucking hell, are you both okay?
Oh. I can't believe we'll let her get away so easily because of a damn box.
She resisted every single time.
Here, I'll take you both to the hospital. Then you can find out how to stop the girl on that motorcycle.
Thanks, but we can't even get up. How will we get there?
Maybe I could carry you both there. I am Mario after all.
That's actually a splendid idea.
Okay, let's go then. We're almost there. Wait, hold on, what the fuck are those?
How the fuck are we supposed to get over them?
I'm gonna have to use GoAnimate logic to jump over the roadblock.
Are you sure? It's quite taller than a normal roadblock.
Trust me, I got this.
I'm Sonic. Do you think Amy's child is going to be a boy or a girl?
I don't know exactly.
Once the doctor calls me in the room she's in, I will take a look.
It's less packed than usual at the hospital. I guess everyone is living healthy for the most part.
Mario, where the fuck did you come from?
That was the most painful way to enter a hospital I've ever experienced.
How in the hell did you both end up in here anyway?
I was trying to help these police officers get back into shape by taking them here, but we had to jump over an obstacle, and I used GoAnimate logic to fly into the doorway.
Well, in that case I'll get all three of you a room. Room 143 for 3, stat.
We need to catch that girl in that motorcycle. She may be scheming something.
Agreed. Once we get back in shape we'll chase after her again.
Damn, I can't find this stupid truck anywhere. I wonder where it could be. Is that? I found it. The fit truck is just right here. Well, it's time to crash this thing into the school grounds. This is gonna be so fun. Ha 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 ha.
Why the fuck did my truck randomly start? Hey, whoever you are, get out of my truck now. I can. Even feed my cattle.
Not happening.
Hey, get back here you thief. Give me my truck back.
You're never getting this truck back. I'm using it to crash into a building, and you're next. Ha ha. Now's my chance.
Caillou, when is the bell going to ring? It's been 15 minutes and we have been standing out here for all this time.
It has been a pretty long wait, I must admit.
Man, it feels good to be outdoors again, doesn't it?
What the hell is that noise?
It sounds like a truck. The truck that is headed straight for us.
What the hell is that in the distance? No 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 no.
Principal's socket. We need some more pens for tomorrow. Half the class had their pencils broken from when Corey's destroyed the last school we had.
Okay, I will get some pens for your class from my office.
What the fuck is that? We need to run now, or else Lavender is gonna kill all of us.
Mrs. Martin. What the hell happened to the hallway? Wait, is that a truck?
Eshop, we better get a move on before.
Don't think I forgot about you shitters either. I'm coming for that ass.
Man, that was a decently good nap. I might as well see what's on TV in the meantime before taking a very hot shower.
Yes. Thank you, Rainbow Rosie Miracle. I am right outside where the school break-in happened. According to the soon arriving emergency services, they don't know who broke in. All they saw was a distant semi-tractor trailer ramming through a building and running over kids.
But, my daughter goes there. I have to go see this for myself.
I need to get out of here before they start running after me.
Oh, Lavender, glad you're okay. I'm surprised you didn't get any injuries like everyone else did.
I tried my best to escape out of there once the truck crashed into the side of the wall.
That is a big fat lie.
Don't trust this lying piece of garbage. She drove that truck into the school, and nearly killed everyone in there. She is responsible for all this damage.
Not only that, but she also had a gun in her hand, and shot some students as well. We couldn't even show it on the news because of how brutal it was. Believe us, it was Lavender.
What? Are you serious? There was no fucking shot you actually drove a semi-truck into your own school. I don't even wanna know why you did it. Nothing will justify these actions. Volume warning. The next few scenes will be very loud. If you're brave enough to turn the volume up, go right ahead. I cannot believe you decided to crash a truck into the school. This is where you have crossed the line with everyone in GoAnimate City. You know that this was a bad idea, but your dumbass did it anyway. This means you are so fucking suspended for $9.99, $9.99, $9.99, $9.99, $9.99, $9.99, $9.99, times 888889887856768709999999999 months.
Don't just stand there and cry like an idiot. This is what you get for crashing a piece of machinery into the school like an idiotic piece of shit.
This also means that you will be getting a punishment day. A very brutal punishment day.
Lavender, I cannot fucking believe you were the one who decided to crash that truck into the school. What the fuck is wrong with you? These punishments will be extra brutal since you decided to do this much damage to your own school, and I have to pay for the damages since you decided to do this. First punishment, I'm gonna saw you to death, and this will hurt very bad.
What? You can't just do that to me.
Well, who said it was right for you to destroy your school with a fucking automobile?
Splatfist is right. You really had no right to crash the truck into the school. That's exactly what Roku Kun did with the mall 3 months ago. You sick bastard.
Now it's time for you to get sawed to bits, you disgrace. This is what you get for crashing a whole truck into the school.
Well, maybe if I didn't get suspended for a stupid reason this wouldn't have happened.
This all stems from the fact that you decided to cause trouble all those times when you were excused to go to the bathroom. She lost trust in you to go to the bathroom. Point made.
Our second punishment is that we're gonna drop a heavy piano on you, just like what got done to Roku Kun when he ruined Dira's Christmas.
What? A piano? That's ridiculous. Who comes up with this type of shit?
Don't worry about it. Hey Mario and Luigi. How's it looking up there with the piano?
Don't worry Splatfist, we got the piano ready.
Okay, drop it on this bitch.
No, please, don't drop a piano on me.
Our third and final punishment is that we're all gonna blast MarioKart music, and you will suffer with it so much you will wanna die.
You'll get a loudspeaker.
No, please, I don't want to hear Mario Kart music for 30 hours straight, please. No, 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 no.
Well, too bad, so sad. Volume warning for people with headphones. This will be very loud.